The Law of Evolution of Species, Darwin, 1859, clarified the evolution of biological beings on Earth and the activity of natural selection, favoring the stronger organisms over the weaker ones, meaning the former prevail over the latter in the daily struggle for the maintenance of biological life on this planet. This ensures the transmission of dominant genes that are crucial for the survival of the more capable, as it results in the birth of more advanced beings than their predecessors. But that's just one part of the story. We know, thanks to the advances in science, that life began here with microscopic unicellular animals, and the doctrine of the spirits presented this same concept, which is now scientifically accepted. Louise, 2009. The key point was that Darwin restricted the mechanisms of evolution to a set of blind forces and removed God from the role of creator, a fact that provided greater firepower to materialistic thinking. There was no longer a place for the creator and the spirits within the natural evolution of species, as, according to the interpretation of materialists, this was the key to the emergence of life and its development through the ages. On the other hand, we, the Spiritists, are aware that God exists simply because creation, with all its perfection, cannot be attributed to a situation that accidentally turned out well. God exists, or may exist, simply because it is possible for him to exist. And everything for which there is a possible existence exists, at least in our thoughts, until someone can irrevocably prove the non-existence of such a thing. Darwin also faced problems since many of the learned people of his time did not want to be descendants of apes. However, they later concluded that it was better to be in this situation than having to swallow the idea of a God as presented by Catholicism.